How to make $100 in 24 hours without salary. Imagine not having to worry about the limitations of a regular 9-to-5 job and being able to generate money on your terms every morning. Doesn't it sound enticing? Earning $100 a day without a traditional work is not only a fantasy but also a very attainable reality in a society where financial independence is highly valued. The options are unlimited, regardless of your reasons for wanting a more flexible lifestyle, seeking a second gig, or being between employment. In this post, we'll look at a range of inventive and practical ways to earn $100 every day. From exploiting your passions and abilities in the digital marketplace to tapping into the gig economy, we'll look at how a combination of technology, passion, and innovation can lead to financial freedom. So, if you're ready to take control of your earning potential and inject some excitement into your money streams, keep reading. Point 1. Create and sell online courses. Choose a subject that you are interested in and informed about first. Your excitement will come through in your instruction and captivate your students. This can involve anything from marketing to cuisine. It's time to plan your course when you've decided on your topic. Provide your students with a clear and interesting path by breaking down your expertise into manageable chunks or courses. This outline is essential since it guarantees that your course includes the required topics and is organized properly. Then create your content in a variety of formats, such as videos, PDFs, or slides. Remember that the more interesting and clear your content is, the more effective your students' learning experience will be. Once your online course is complete, don't forget to promote it. Use social media or your personal blog to spread the news. The more you promote your course, the more potential students you'll reach. Point 2. Launch an e-commerce store. The digital age we live in offers more options than ever for online retailers. Your path to earning $100 a day, or possibly much more, may be to open an online store. First, you should identify a specialty that appeals to you. This might include everything from eco-friendly household items to handcrafted jewelry. The secret is to locate a market with a distinct demand. In the huge ocean of internet shops, a distinct niche might help your store stand out. Once you've determined your specialty, it's time to source your products. Whether you make them yourself or source them from sources, quality and uniqueness will be your strongest selling factors. Setting up an online store has never been easier thanks to low-cost systems like Shopify and WooCommerce. These platforms include a variety of templates and tools that may be tailored to your individual requirements, making the process simple even for those with low technical knowledge. For additional information, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button, so as to always know when we post our videos. Watch out for our post on how to launch an online store business. Point 3. Become an influencer. Imagine being able to earn $100 every day from your hobby of social networking. This can be achieved by becoming an influencer. It all comes down to sharing your interests, making connections with others, and eventually making money on websites like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. The first step in the road is to choose a niche you love. Anything from travel, exercise, and even cuisine to beauty and fashion might be included here. Selecting a subject that truly interests you is crucial. Talking about what you're passionate about makes others pay attention. It also increases your enjoyment when producing content. After you've identified your specialty, concentrate on producing unique content. This entails sharing engaging images, videos, or blogs that also showcase your distinct flair. Being genuine and true to who you are will set you apart from the crowd. Additionally, posting on a regular basis is crucial. It is more probable that individuals will return if you are consistent. Brands may start to take notice of you as your following grows. They may offer you money in exchange for your promotion of their goods or services. Here's where the money comes in. But choose the brands you associate with carefully. Select those that your supporters will find appealing and that are consistent with your beliefs. Point 4. Become a freelancer. If you start freelancing, that is, using your talents, such as writing, design, or coding, making $100 a day can be enjoyable and flexible. What is it that you excel at? Do you write, design, or do something else? The secret to freelance work is your unique set of skills. You can do better if your skills are more distinctive. Once you've determined your skills, Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent places to begin. They assist you in identifying folks who require your services. Make your profile stand out because there is so much competition. Finally, if you intend to work as a freelancer in the future, create a portfolio. This is where you should showcase your best work in order to attract clients. If you're a designer, look into sites like Behance. If you are a coder, you should try GitHub. A robust portfolio can make a significant impact. Point 5. Selling of ebooks. Ebooks are available on any subject, including literature, cookbooks, and self-help and how-to instructions. Without the aid of a traditional publisher, reaching a large audience is made simple by the digital format. Select a topic you have extensive understanding and enthusiasm for. It should also be a book that readers would want to read. You can find popular trends and niches by conducting some market research. The secret is to provide interesting, thoroughly researched material that benefits your audience. You may easily publish your ebook and reach a worldwide audience using platforms like Apple's iBooks Author, Barnes & Noble's Nook Press, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Setting an ebook price, though, can be challenging. It needs to be competitive while still honoring the worth of your writing. Remember to read client testimonials. This can help you enhance future ebooks or marketing tactics by giving you insights into what works and what doesn't. Point 6. Become a makeup artist. If you love beauty and are creative, becoming a makeup artist could help you earn $100 every day. This intriguing industry combines artistic and personal interaction, providing a rewarding and often attractive career path. Choose if you want to work as a freelancer, in a salon, for a brand, or in media such as cinema or theater. Each path provides unique experiences and opportunities. Working in a salon provides consistent employment and client engagement, whereas freelancing allows you more flexibility. Use social media channels such as Instagram to promote your work. Engaging material that showcases your makeup abilities can attract clients and even the attention of beauty companies. Networking is also important. Network with other beauty professionals, photographers, and stylists. Point 7. Be a Lyft or an Uber driver. It is possible to earn $100 every day by simply driving your car. Becoming a driver for ride-sharing services such as Uber or Lyft allows you to work flexible hours and make money on your own terms. The first step is to ensure that you fulfill the requirements. You will need a valid driver's license, an appropriate vehicle, and to pass a background check. Each service has its own set of restrictions for cars, such as age and condition, which you may find on the Uber or Lyft websites. The times and locations at which you drive determine how much you make. More rides and higher costs might be expected during busier periods, such as rush hour or major events. But bear in mind that your take-home money will be impacted by things like gas and auto maintenance. You will encounter a wide variety of folks when driving. It is possible to make an ordinary ride enjoyable for you and your passengers by being approachable and professional. Good conversations might occasionally result in tips as well. Point 8. Tutoring online. As an online tutor, did you realize that you might earn $100 each day by imparting your knowledge? Your proficiency in a language, science, math, or even music can benefit others while earning money. You start by determining your strengths. Which subjects are you proficient in? Your areas of competence may include specialized knowledge like playing the guitar or academic courses like algebra and history. Selecting a topic you are excited and confident about is crucial. Once you've determined what you want to teach, the following step is to choose a platform. Websites such as tutor.com and VIPKid can help you connect with pupils. These systems run differently, so select one that best suits your preferences and requirements. Some may require certifications or specialized requirements, so be prepared to present your credentials. The next major step is to establish a client base. Begin by setting appropriate fees. You may not charge much at first, but as you gain experience and great feedback, you can raise your rates. Use social media, community forums, and word of mouth to promote your services. Point 9. Provide cleaning services. Offering cleaning services is a useful and in-demand profession that has the potential to be both lucrative and satisfying. Think about your cleaning abilities and the kinds of cleaning services you can provide first. This could include more specialist services like deep cleaning or office cleaning, as well as standard house cleaning. Consider the cleaning products and equipment you'll require as well. For many clients, having your own supplies can be advantageous. Find out how much other local cleaning services are charging. In addition to being fair, your charges should be commensurate with the caliber of your output. You can modify your charges as you get a clientele and more experience. Inform your neighbors, relatives, and friends about your services to start. To reach a larger audience, you can also use community forums or social media. It can also be beneficial to make straightforward flyers or business cards to distribute to nearby establishments and community centers. Point 10. Become an Airbnb host. Getting $100 a day could be as close as your unoccupied apartment or extra room. By renting out your property to tourists, you may earn money as an Airbnb host. Make sure it's tidy, cozy, and welcome whether it's a house, apartment, or room. Consider the amenities you value in a quality hotel room, such as a comfortable bed, fresh towels, and a tidy space, and make an effort to supply them. The next thing you need do is create your listing on Airbnb. To showcase your place to its fullest, take bright, crisp pictures of it. Write an honest, thorough description that emphasizes any special features or facilities. Clearly state expectations for guests and establish home rules. Now, price is a complex topic. In addition to making it worthwhile, you want to compete. To get a sense of going prices, check out other Airbnb listings in your neighborhood. Recall that demand, the time of year, and regional events could all affect your price. If you have learnt anything from this video, please comment on the comment section, then like, share and subscribe to our channel for more educative videos on money. Don't forget to click on the notification button so as to know whenever we post a video.